Did a whole lot of driving this weekend from Orlando back home up to Ocala and back home again, and look at all these love bugs. It is totally ridiculous. They're everywhere. Everything from love bugs to there's some dragonflies right there. There's a wasp. Yeah, he's still living. My hood, my windshield, it's all covered. I'm gonna be able to get all these love bugs off, and I'm gonna show you the before and afterwards. So check it out. So with 5 dryer sheets and only water in the bucket, I was able to get all of the love bugs off. Didn't take too long. Now, after you get it off with the dryer sheets, it's not like your car's clean. You still need to wash it afterwards, but the stupid bugs are gone. I mean, see, you can see the little bit of residue from mushing the bug guts around. But all in all, dryer sheets work. You don't need to go out and buy any expensive stuff. Just use dryer sheets. Well, there you have it. The Challenger is all clean. I hope that helps somebody else out with their bug problem. I'll catch you next time.